Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bo. Kilo, Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie, roving radio. So in ham radio, we use a lot of different antennas and stuff of that sort. And something that's super useful to be able to use those antennas is going to be a soldering station. So I ordered one off of Amazon. It showed up just the other day. I'm going to do an unboxing for it today, so stick around. So thanks for checking out the channel. This unboxing is not affiliated. It is not sponsored, anything of that sort. I did pay my own money to get this soldering station off of Amazon. I think it took like 2 days to show up. I don't remember exactly. It's been a couple of days since it arrived and I just hadn't got around to doing the unboxing yet. So that's what we're gonna do today. Comes in a nice box, as you can see. And then we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. First thing is you get an instruction manual. Hopefully you can see that. The sun is coming through the window behind the camera and making it a little blurred out on the video. But yeah, looks like a nice little handy information guide or instruction manual. And then you got your probe. And some plastic there. Here's your probe. Nice and proby. Got a nice little in connector on there. Nicely packed. It's got a lot of protections here. Let's see. And you take out the, here, let's slide that over to the side. Take out your station itself. It's nice and heavy. Don't know how much it weighs, but it looks nice. It's got a nice 3-prong power connector on it. Set that over there. And you got your mounting station, if you will. After you use the probe, right? You want to have somewhere to stick it so that it doesn't get doesn't melt through your TV or your TV. So it doesn't melt through your TV. Man, I'm at your table here. You just stick it right there and you're good to go. All right. And then it's got cleaning wire. Comes in a little baggie. And then your cleaning sponge. So it's pretty straightforward. Not a whole lot in the box. Like I said, it's got some nice correlated, I think is the word you use for it. Man, what's it called? Boy, I cannot think today. Cardboard. There we go. It's called cardboard. So that it doesn't get bounced around while it's in the shipping mode there. And that's pretty much it. It's in the box. So that's a pretty straightforward unboxing. I'm going to open up the instruction manual here, look at it. So it says your station, you get one station, you get one soldering iron, you get one cleaning sponge with your iron holder and the instruction manual, and then one cleaning wire like we showed you already. So yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. It says that it temperature range is from 120 to 899 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 50 to 480 degrees Celsius. And the stability is supposed to be plus or minus 1.8 Fahrenheit or 1 Celsius. So that sounds pretty good. We're gonna set this up, let it warm up, and then we will see how it works. So we'll be back in just a few. All right, so taking a look at the soldering station here. I did plug it into the wall already. Here is this. It's plugged in. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe not. There you go. There was an error because I didn't have the lead plugged in. If you can see this, you should be able to. It is a keyed lead, just like the front of this is keyed. So you plug it in one way. It's kind of I wouldn't say foolproof, but it is supposed to be that way. So you plug that in. A couple of other things that I did while I was off camera was I took the sponge. You can see the sponge here. I took the sponge out of the baggie and set that up. Then you kind of just take these small sponges and you fold them down just a little bit, and then that goes in there so that it holds it in place. And then I took the cleaning wire and I put it into the little cleaning wire holder right here. You should be able to see that. And then your probe goes right there. So we're gonna turn this on, let it heat up. It does default to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is going to take a couple of minutes to warm up. And then I actually have a correction little project to work on. So I built a K6 ARK random wire a while back, and I was using a way crappier soldering. Well, actually, you know what? I didn't use the crappier soldering iron on this. I don't know what happened exactly with this. Maybe it got too hot. I don't know. But anyways, need to make some repairs. I got one of the lead wires came off, so I got to fix that. And then the B and C connector came off. So I don't know what happened with it. Not really super concerned with it. We're going to heat it up and try to get it fixed, and then we should be good to go. And then I got a little bit of heat shrink to cover it up. So we're going to wait for the soldering iron to heat up, and then we'll get right to the repair of this. I also have a couple other things that I'm going to work on. One of those I'm not going to put in this video, and the other one I actually have to find it. I'm not 100% sure where the other project is. So we'll let this heat up, and we'll be back in just a few. All right, so I thought about it before I was gonna go on camera and use the soldering iron. Yeah, I'm not very great at soldering, so I just figured I'd do it on my own. But anyways, I think I got it repaired. It is sloppy, but I think it will work. So anyways, really impressed with this soldering iron compared to the other one that I had. It is a lot nicer to use. And the only suggestion that I have, and somebody said this on Discord, but the tip is, I don't know if you can see that, it's not exactly the fine tip. So I think I'm going to look to get a new tip for it so that I can use it a little easier. But other than that, this soldering station is pretty good. Like I said, it's a little sloppy, but I got some soldering done. It doesn't look like it's going to come off this time, but we'll see what happens, because we are amateurs, or at least I am an amateur whenever it comes to soldering. So I appreciate you sticking around. Sorry that it wasn't super climactic with the soldering skills there, but I thank everybody for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.